Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a delicious recipe on how to make horchata strawberry flavored. Now I love the regular horchata, don't get me wrong, but sometimes I want a little more spice in my life, so I decided to add strawberries to my horchata, being that it's strawberry season. So if you guys want to learn how I make my strawberry delicious horchata, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take 2 cups of regular long grain rice, and we're going to add 3 cups of hot water or warm water to our rice. And we're going to let it sit for about 2 hours to soak up all the goodness. And I'll be back in 2 hours. Alrighty guys, so it's been 2 hours that my rice has been sitting in this water. So what I'm going to do is I poured 4 cups of water into my blender. I'm going to scoop out my rice with this mesh strainer and pour it into my blender. Now that I've poured my rice into my blender with 4 cups of water, I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of strawberries. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of strawberry extract. I'm going to add a tablespoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sugar because I do not want to put too much sugar in it since I'm also adding condensed milk. But if you like it sweeter, be my guest. I'm adding 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. I'm adding 1/2 cup of condensed sweetened milk. I love this condensed milk with my strawberries or in fruits. Oh, it's just so good. Okay. And last but not least, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. And that's it. That's all that fits in my 9-cup blender. Now all I have to do is blend it and then I'll be back. So now that I blended my mixture for about 5 minutes, I'm going to strain it into a nice cup filled with ice. And I garnished it with a strawberry. And the reason I'm straining it is because there will be some leftover residue from the rice, and I'll show you guys right now. So you can see there's a bit of residue there. You don't want that, so you want to strain it into a pitcher or something like that. So I garnished it with the strawberry, and then we throw in a nice little cinnamon stick, and there you have it. This delicious horchata de fresa, strawberry horchata. And here is a close-up of our strawberry horchata. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. This delicious, refreshing summer drink. It's so good. It's not too sweet. You can taste the cinnamon and the nutmeg and the strawberry. So you can still taste the horchata, but it does have that extra kick where you can taste the strawberry. It's very, very good. It's very refreshing. Now, like I said, if you like your drinks sweet, go ahead and add a full cup of sugar. I'm trying to stay away from sweet stuff, so I only added 1/3. Now, if you already know you have that sweet tooth going on and you don't mind the extra calories, then go ahead and add a full cup of sugar. This drink can also be used, you can totally spike this drink and make it a cocktail. I mean, I wouldn't mind some rum in this drink. It's so good, you guys. It's really good. So I hope you guys give this a try. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.